My colleague, Senator Alero, have just said it all, because we must define the role of security agencies, where they will work and where they will not work. Where Nigerian people are tired after how many years of democracy? We are still going to court when people win or lose election. We should learn from other civilized countries by people no longer going to court. If INEC said that Mr. Senate President that you won, and nobody's going to argue that. So let election be credible. This is an opportunity for you, for me, for everybody here to put the best technology, to put the best anything that we can use to make our elections free and fair. Because, Mr. President, you are not listening to me. I need attention. I need you to give me your attention. I've only one asked me to start, and one is coming in.
OUK. You just mentioned my name, that whether I won or not, that's why I came in.
So, Mr. President, whether you are the only one president now seated. There's only one president now seated. You won. So, Mr. President, we should go back to beavers. Improve beavers. The technology is very good, but it's wrongly used by our people. People should make to know how many people that will be in the polling unit, people who are supposed to be here, people who are not supposed to be here. I propose that we must strengthen this legislation so that people will be free. Leaving it empty is to the detriment of the nation. Where the nation have grown to our democracy, we must respect INEC. What their result is should be the best result. Mr. President, technology is where everybody is going now. We should move fast to make sure that all these technologies, as we are voting, people are reporting back. People are having back the results, so that electronic voting, so nobody will complain, because APC will not complain, PDP will not complain, Labour Party will not complain, so everybody will be on equal basis. My colleagues, you people should be serious to make sure we come together and be serious about this thing, because not saying tomorrow that a dominant party have done this or that. This is an opportunity for all of us in these chambers. Don't shy away. The opposition mostly, this is the time to put everything we need in this electoral version of things. Thank you, Mr. President, for giving me the opportunity.